Welcome to another edition of Masterclass with Ron K. So here today I want to take you through how to pay for a plan, and we've already taken you through all the different plans. If you understand the pricing methods or the pricing style of ITAAW system, but today I want to take you through the process of paying for the plan you have decided for. In this particular masterclass, I'll be paying for a lifetime single because I've decided to use to pay for just a single. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Normally, when you're on ITAAW and you have not subscribed, you see your plans here. It will tell you not subscribed. So for you to pay for a plan, in this, when you come to this plan not subscribed, you click on plans, and then it takes you to the subscription page, how to add a new subscription. So it's telling you now no records found. So to add a new subscription, click to add new subscription, and then I've explained earlier, this is where all the different pricing plans are. Now, this is ITAAW lifetime single, and what it means is you can upload one track. Now, some people get it confused. They will say, I can upload one album. What it's telling you here is a single is a one album that has one track. That's what this is telling you. So don't get it confused. It's a single album that has one track, and that's what's called a single. So don't be thinking that you're going to be able to upload an album of unlimited number of tracks. No, a single is an album that has one track. So for it, since I'm going to be paying for the single, I'm going to just click on checkout. And before you can pay, you need to put your address. Some people at this point, they put email address. If the system wants you to put email address, it will put email address. What it's asking you is the address, your own personal address. So I'm going to put my address, 42. Yeah, enter zip code. Your zip code, you can always Google your zip code. I live in Ogba in Lagos. So if I go to Google, and I say Ogba, Lagos zip code, it will bring it up for me, so I don't have to be bothered. Ogba, so it's 100218. So anywhere you are in the world, just type that into Google and you can get your zip code. All right, so 100218, 100218. The country is Nigeria. And I'm in Lagos. So you click on save to put in the address, and then it gives you the summary of the total price you're going to pay. So at this point, you can either use a bank card, or if you have a PayPal account, you can click on that. Some people ask me whether they can use their customized local card. The acceptable cards are MasterCard and Visa card. Now, this MasterCard and Visa card can be in your local currency, but make sure they are MasterCard or Visa card. So I'm going to be using a bank card here. So I'm clicking on this. So I'll put my card details. You put in all the details of your card. and then you click on pay, and then it gives you an invoice for the payment, and this to show that your subscription has been successful. That's how to pay on ITAAW. It's very simple, straightforward. I hope you found this very enlightening. Thank you for listening.